Want to change the language on your iPhone? Whether it's for learning or travel or just because you prefer a different language, it's easy to do. I'll walk you through the steps. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Language and Region. Tap Add Language from here. Select the language you want from the list. Now tap Use Selected Language like Spanish or something else to confirm your choice. Wait a few moments while your iPhone updates its language settings. That's it. Changing your iPhone's language is fast and simple, allowing you to personalize your device easily. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more iPhone tips. Tap the notification bell to stay updated, and I'll catch you in the next video.